Everybody and welcome. I am Peddling Raw here on YouTube. Does that look good? Yeah? Right, I got myself a taste for a green smoothie. So, I've got a head of romaine lettuce in there in the blender with so-so water. So I'm just going to grind that up, make a nice noise from the Vitamix because I love revving that. One blended up romaine, and in there we're going to put some sugar, measured out into a little glass there, so you don't just pour, so you know what you're putting in. Obviously I haven't weighed any of it, but I know what I'm doing. A little bit of muesli there, I'd like to put that in sometimes. Bit of protein. So that goes in, and then some of this gorgeous peanut butter, which is dark chocolate dreams. No trans fats, no cholesterol, no hydrogenated oil, no high fructose corn syrup. It's good. It is good. Made by the Peanut Butter and Co. New York City. Delish. So we're going to get that much, that's going in. I'll kind of like scrape it off with a banana so not to waste any. Oh, the lid's going to have to come off. Man, this Vitamix is dirty. Well, not as in like filth, if you know what I mean. It's just like being used, you know. That's good. So we'll go mad with that. Good way to get your greens in, man. Vitamix makes mincemeat of everything. No pun intended. Right. Rest of these bananas are going in. All chopped up so you guys ain't got to wait. I'm pretty quick. Visit my restaurant. So we'll just pulse blend these now. There you go, 1 meal, 1 gorgeous tasting chocolate smoothie with your greens in there. Don't forget to chew smoothies, as well as slurp them, as well as get them all around your mouth and down your front. It doesn't matter, they taste gorgeous. Smoothies, 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 we all love them. So there's a nice recipe for you. Romaine lettuce, a little bit of extra sugar, that you can decide on that for taste or whatever. A little bit of muesli, again to add some sort of substance to it. And dark chocolate dreams peanut butter or whatever you want to put in there. Equally again, this is like just to take off on a normal banana smoothie. Everyone's got their different twists they do. Equally just bananas and water are fine. So thanks for watching, like, share, subscribe for more great recipes, adventures, travels, whatever. Me on my journey to health, I guess, because I am feeling much more healthy than I was. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye. Budoosh.